Alright guys, so today we're going to make the best chicken sandwich ever made. So the first thing we want to do is take a chicken thigh and start brining it, and we're going to use some jalapeno juice that we just got from a jar of jalapeños, but you can get it from Pickles or you can just soak it in something, doesn't really matter. So we'll start with that. Alright, you just want to make sure it's covered. If you don't quite have enough pickle juice or jalapeno juice to cover it, then you just add a little bit of water to it. So we're going to go ahead and stick this in the fridge. Ideally you do it for about 24 hours, but as long as it's soaking for a little while, you'll be fine. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is make our flour mixture. While we're making all this stuff, we want our oil heating up. We want to get this to about 325 to 350. You don't want it too hot because the chicken is a little bit thicker, so it won't cook all the way. Alright, so we have 2 cups of flour in here and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So we're going to add some garlic powder, onion powder, and some paprika. Go ahead and mix this all up. Sometimes I'll add a little bit like Nashville hot spices in here, or Spiceology makes a good one that's like a honey habanero one. You add in here too. Gives your chicken a little bit more spice. Alright, so now we want to add our, what do you call this, the buttermilk mixture? A buttermilk mixture. About a cup of some buttermilk. This is some Frank's Red Hot. And then an egg. So as far as the Frank's Red Hot goes, more or less depending on how spicy you like it. Frank's Red Hot's not very spicy, so if you want something spicier, go ahead and throw that in there. Alright, so while the oil's heating up, we're going to go ahead and enjoy a beer, and then I'll get back to you. Alright guys, so the chicken's ready to get the breading on. We're going to take it from our brine that we have here and go straight to the flour mixture. Cover it all over. Take it from here, put it in your buttermilk. And then let's go back to the flour. So just cover it up, and then we're going to take this and we're going to throw it on the rack for a minute, let all the flour and the juices soak together. As the flour starts to get a little wet and you can see the moisture coming through, we'll just add a little bit more flour to the top. Alright guys, so the oil's almost there. It's only going to take about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. So we're going to get our cheese sauce going. We're also going to warm up some ham and our buns. We'll start with the ham and the buns. We'll do the ham and the buns in this pot here. Just throw them together. If you're not cooking the ham, you just get some deli ham from the store. And let's do our cheese. Just some canned cheese will work out just perfectly. And we're going to add some milk, or you can use some cream, heavy cream if you want, just to thin it out. While that's cooking, we're going to cut up some jalapeños to throw inside the cheese sauce. Alright guys, so the oil's ready, so let's go ahead and grab this chicken. And as we do it, we want to shake all the excess off here. Alright, just gonna let that cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. All right, guys, let's go ahead and flip this chicken. When you do your oil, you're not trying to submerge the whole chicken in the oil. You just want to do about halfway full. That way it cooks on both sides. You flip it, the chicken cooks all the way through. We'll flip it again. Don't worry about how many times you flip it. Just make sure that everything's cooked. All right, guys. So this is ready to come out of the grill. We're off the oil. Let's get this thing off. As far as the color goes, I just like to make sure it's a nice kind of a dark brown, but not burnt. It'll darken up as it dries here on the rack. Alright guys, so now we're going to build this sandwich. So the first thing we're going to do is put some mayonnaise on the bottom. You have to have mayonnaise on a chicken sandwich. Especially my wife, she hates mayonnaise. She'll do ranch instead. And lots of pickles. Let's grab the chicken. Let's top it with some ham. Alright, then to finish this thing off with some cheese sauce. Slap that top bun on there. There you go. That is the ultimate chicken sandwich right there. Alright guys, remember, smash that like and subscribe button. Let us know how we're doing. Leave us a comment. Let's go and take a bite of this thing. Oh, shit. Oh my oh. That is the best thing. Hold on. Oh man. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Leave us a comment. Hit that like button. Till next time.